you shall say free Kania Honsem.
Okay.
Maybe we are.
Okay.
Yes, I mean,
okay.
What so far Kania no pressure the about crew money and they as I then run ministry report to say omo atimi I get all the 6 units in the back nina pretty kama nti I will say Kania Honsem na improve we are improving from Enron back and no
So John, you be chatty phobia. I mean, Frank about the answer.
Yes.
I'm say Frank T.
Yes.
The wife so attest me. Madam Linda. Who feel you papa.
Oh,
Linda the answer. Oh, you make for no teach.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean.
Adam, good morning.
Yes. So John him. Many ajibe said na e see to my restore. Na me bisa mo so many questions. And a crazy jet to me to baby. A accident. But areas like Gridco substation. Chairman, baby one more. Say for instance, Bank of Ghana. Ya have me to Bank of Ghana. Fala say like to Bank of Ghana and TC Ghana go anashi. There are certain issues that a beba net to nobody is saying say disaster to me see. But if baby is so much sensitive, say Jubilee House, man no that so many say Jubilee House jato. Same with Grid Code because a major 1000 megawatts there a greater part of your mind and you know see for me many jebe repay when sadie see measures and penny put in place. Say going forward, yen now sorry in some mete say a different substation which is also holding a greater grid no so no ashi and I be sa the SCBM on a July 4 Mutumabwa restore you better o ma say enu nti na etu o maka say John me so be na adwuma so ya I only thank the person for doing what he's supposed to do and being responsible. I don't overthank because we adwuma say we anope we show na we nti o say John why ade say wa ba anope ye ko we a wonhia bibia from obi a ho we ko ti better o ma say now on Entwibo is I discuss about national service personnel. Look, maybe some so many questions. And I'm going to say, me nimi ni pakro recommending national service personnel we man penny because man penny nya adwuma wo. So certainly we do on no.
Yeah,
it will be upon recommendation say abawa we aboa pa in the restoration process in nti yenye bibia mfa mwa no. Oko different sectors of our economy. Service personnel wo ho mo ye adwuma. E bi bo mo ho modin poche omo ye main employees wo ho. What is the mode? What is that sort of mechanism to me identify sankofo no? Because you onkofo bi ono mo a omo bosses crampo e feel very bad when omo tenor of service na so omo ko because of adwuma so omo ba be ye. What is the mechanism? There has to be a clear mechanism say this is what we based on to determine obia or you hard working in a sector you didn't boy green because we need them. Look, commitment is what moves every job. We yanko for because service person nisika crampo is saying, but for her to be part of the process and a Joe a Riano pa a show how committed she is and again or your bar and the American say in almost every sector. Obeko adwuma ha you've received service personnel wa ba months akowe pa de say wo ka ha ba bo say boss onu nko say ani na onu nko boss kwan say ani no ndi wo hu bi ani na wo as eko worker na wo oh no this guy when he came in fact why adwuma pa o boss nko say ani no ndi wo hu bi same process e retain obi a wrong person can be retained that wo dwon but sanke yes e hwe pa the indices bi agukwan mu anka when they say fa no. I think these are issues I see a ye. Not hard working, committed people are green or moving universities are there should be a mechanism about to me and maintain your more money. Mr. John, the next thing you need. Andre ya say ya restore near the Andrew and I don't do me light.
Should be on the appointment
and I do 10. plan maintenance bɛn anadwo 10
me bisa
ɛne wɔne bi wɔ no mu a
ebia na
ɛne na ɔmo yɛ na yɛkɔ ka fa hɔ a na ayɛ sɛ nti anadwo no anoma bɛn na abɛsi light bi so akeka cables bi abɔ mu
but some of them that you may not know
anadwo no meba anadwo no transformer bɛn na yɛbie so a yɛ service adene ma tum ma service awia tum a obi akɔ fie na yɛtum adum no 15 minutes ni asan so it is a impo sɛ yɛ bibi na asi anadwo no a are you telling me say within saa minute kakra bi ni tuma restore ɛyɛ obi na press adeɛ no masa me say abo 10 yɛdum kanea no 15 minutes asan so
but wonim the air na ebi nso ni say me am who be pain and not to defend them because me ECG for me I always have problem with them. There was an instance na your area ho cables be a cable na a dangerous part. So quickly a place calls to them. There was doom the entire area because at that time no na obi nanka was saying ka transformer no mum within your home be doom no. But so mu kaso move from office so be do transform baby transformer mo ba na bon edi bon area. So quickly now so mu doom no so that the men no be move it to side.
E be twembe 2 hours. Ni we say problem e be a 1 hour be problem aba 15 minutes. Ni a pressure say doom na san so. Obi na she wo yes ade no. Straight up because
eno na
me no ye dwene ho no pay. Say about 10 na do 10. Ya dum no e bia sane awoka ne bibi sa atumi asi one dey na asi e bia force match ne ade 15 minutes time asan so anti no se omo movie mpo a dey na omo tumi duro osisi ya fix obi you see ade na omo ya nipa akoma na omo didi agro obi fra bontia ba owure mu ne phone kura shock obotum krompo ebuaris me charge me phone ya ade dum no machine say no money look we need effectiveness and efficiency on the part of workers no and then say transfer of managers no buy an yeka ho asem no on say nkofo yo but omodwuma omo ye no enso ani look yet kromanom say yes prepaid
ebinim nyom nyina
well anyway say majority na me dem hu no prepaid say obi akoto ni prepaid di aba wakoto prepaid ni di aba no say nya light adenya one of the reasons that they be almost site ne say omuntumi end disika no omu kura postpaid na ese mokoko disika na be break e ka omo de obi akwansi won koje ye go to areas a new places and fancy villages menu nim say your village boy no ma meter kura be ko kura problem light omutuma use light na for years and say tomorrow go say ye ko calibrating point we say e kan ye say no o kura prepaid ko to prepaid ko to ade no na ye sa and I do 10 o do 15 minutes what's so 15 minutes say motuma service den na won service am wi motuma so ne sisi e sheda so for me so for me I think say ya restore na ye but ye pese hu indeed and for so the next thing here Sir John as for my we should be thinking aloud ye jai tema ne hydro no ya woso ache toto e say oman mu mpenifo dwene ekone anim solar yi ebe boayen there has to be other alternative energies here and so ebe augment in case thermal in hydro in moya we just switch and this anka solar ya adwin po sanka district bia mpo no ye ma major agencies bi mpo a switch akọ solar anka ne nka ye ho be han solar nkomo ebe da ha onye ne o e wo wan ye di ne ye jai we should be moving that line so when you go to other countries omo turbines ema wind energy like they are thinking aloud ye de ye sorry ye ni fra de beto sakoso mo ho a benya buidam kan ho a ehun se hydro de ema energy hydro na thermal kakra na ye de car power aba na ye de amerimu I don't know why can't we change I don't know to me ye say conscious effort ye shift ye movie say ye whatever na e kwan se but ye feel say going forward we should be having backups so you know I know say me comfort shop say okroma nyina solar
oh
yes solar look at heavy equipment use air conditioner say one inside solar power ni nyina so why can't we so there yentumi mpo nya ni nyina atego a yenye adwin say bia some part of the community e bia aban dwuma bi die aban moka enye solar no with time na ye man na accessible to the people and with time you betume movie dan say de bia na say ha kwahye nsuo na we ye mompa na nsuo mra. These things have been one too many for us. So I think say ye beda o ma say na mo do na adwo 10 15 minutes o ma so ne de ye dwene ho a ye ntia say ye hyeda so o munya ne ye hu hyeda o munya ne ye hu say jom da say.
Right, Prince, thank you very much. Abagwaji.
Yeah, bro.
Akwaba.
Thank you, Mina. Medasi pa.
So ho ye de.
Me ho ye won so e.